Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I got Louie here with me. This may be completely chaos for this video, but I'm going to try to make it through it. All right, so on yesterday, I decided to take this drone out for a test flight. My son stopped by and I wanted to show him how well the Venture glasses worked with my RC2 controller. As far as the connection to the glasses, everything was perfect. Video transmission, obviously it's wired, so there's no issues there. So he was really impressed with the quality, plus the fact that you can turn the glasses on and off. But anyway, let's get to what this video is really about. So I added this additional drone protection, as you guys know. And Louis is going to be acting up. Louis, stop it, stop it, stop it. Anyway, as you guys can see, I have the landing feet and then I have the duck protectors on here. We had some really heavy wind yesterday for whatever reason it was. And the drone reacted in a way I was not expecting. I mean, it flew way off course. So I took these off, the landing feet off, and the drone flew fine. So I also noticed that a lot of people who have these landing feet on are complaining about the landing feet showing up in their video. I don't recommend these for most people. If you're going to be flying 360, I think this is going to be an issue for you. Louis, stop it. This is going to be an issue for you. So I'm going to remove these and not use these landing feet on this drone. But I will still use the duck. Louis, stop it. I will still use the duck protection, but I can't recommend these. So if you found these online and you're interested in purchasing them by themselves, I'm not going to recommend them, guys. I really don't recommend them. And I think, for one, because you're going to see them in your video footage. Not only that, you are going to take a chance with these, being an issue, going forward. So I'm going to just remove these off of the drone. And like I said, I won't be using them. I did get them. I did purchase these myself. No one sent these to me. Now, if you're flying in single camera mode, this is not going to be an issue. But most of us purchased this drone so that we could fly it in, 360 mode. And I just don't see how these are going to truly benefit you. If anything, they're going to create problems in your edits. So I can't recommend these, obviously, for 360 flights, because you're going to get what looks like little horns hanging down. So if you have them or you're interested in them, go ahead. As far as the duck protection, this worked perfectly. I have to say, the wind was crazy heavy yesterday. I think we were getting something like 25-mile-an-hour gusts at times, and the drone was flying all over the place. But I was able to land it with no issues, and, it is what it is. So I try to keep it as real with you guys as possible. I don't think that is going to be a solution for a lot of people as far as these little landing feet go. Maybe something else will come out in the future that will be a better solution. And I also noticed that some people are talking about the bumper guard that you can purchase that will go here. The problem with it is, in most cases, if you purchase that bumper guard, and you guys know which one I'm talking about, you've probably seen it on a lot of the different sites you can purchase it. And the problem with it is it has a rise in it that's going to be right at the same angle as the lens. So it also is going to show up in your footage. So you may want to avoid that one as well. Now, I have seen one that has a lower profile, which is closer to the frame of the aircraft, which might be a better solution. So I'll wait and see if I can get one of those that I can test, to give you guys an idea if I think that's going to be viable, especially for the type of flying that I do. I don't do a lot of acro stuff. Most of my videos are going to be for real estate, commercial things, and obviously, demonstrating stuff for you guys here on the platform. But I would not just run out and grab every single thing that you see for these, new drones. I have added gear or accessories to my other drones with no problem whatsoever. But I think in a lot of situations, this 360 camera, presents a benefit as well as a problem, because of the fact that it's 360 and it can see everything from every direction. So anything that's going to be thicker than the aircraft, I think it's going to be a problem, in most cases. So definitely check it out. All right, guys, Louie and I just want to do a quick video for you guys and give you an update on what I think about these landing feet versus the duck protectors. The duck protectors are a go. The landing feet, in most cases, are going to be a no. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Stay safe. Peace. I'm out.